What's up, puzzle people? It's been a while. I've been busy, but we're back. And today I'm pretty excited. We have our very first Puzzle of Puzzles pop quiz. You guys excited? I'm excited. Are you excited, Brittany? Say something.
Yes.
All right. So you have a chance to win a drum roll. Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D printer with this video. Pretty exciting. They're not a sponsor. I emailed them, they didn't respond, so I'm buying it just for you guys. But I'm so excited about this, and I'm really excited for things to come in months as we keep doing this. But yeah, anyways, 3D printer could be yours after this video, along with some other prizes. We'll see. It'll be fun. So, how do you win one, you say? You ask? Let's find out. First step. We got our puzzle here. This should look somewhat familiar if you've looked at some of the more recent videos. We got a series of logic gates, some lasers might be in here, some binary numbers. Yeah. If you need some hints, go look at some older videos. That should definitely help you get started. Yeah, I think that's kind of it. So yeah, once you get your answer from the top here, if you can figure it out, it's pretty hard. We'll see. There is a form, not going to be, but there is a form in the description. You'll click on that, you'll submit your name, email, the answer, and if you're correct, you might win a 3D printer. So go ahead, get started on this puzzle, submit the form, be the winner.